Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off sounds on Evony. If you want to turn off the music or the sound from your Evony application using mobile device, then here is how you can do it. Launch Open Evony app on your device and then make sure that it loads. Once your game starts, from the main home page, tap on the three dots located at the bottom right. In the pop-up menu, select Settings. Now under Settings, tap on Options. You'll then see this kind of an interface. From the top section, make sure to disable the toggle button right next to Sound, and if you want to turn off music as well, tap on the toggle right next to Music. Make sure both of the buttons are turned gray so that you'll be able to turn off sound and music on Evony. Once you change this setting, you will not hear any kind of a music or sound on your Evony game. Now you can easily go ahead and enjoy the game without any kind of a sound. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.